This is my work truck. It is in very, very dire need of new latches, as you can tell. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove this panel right here, and that's gonna give us access to fix the latches right here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do that. As you can see, I tried fixing this with WD-40. That did not do the trick. You don't necessarily have to pop this out. You're gonna follow the line down. As you can see, I already forgot to record it, but I took off the original one. I don't know why my camera was shaking, but there you go. Very, very dirty and grimed up. Don't really have time to clean it. Kind of busy and working in construction, so I'm gonna just replace the part. So you literally just latch this on right here, like so. You literally should be able to do it with just one hand. Rest it right there. So just to show you can do it with one hand, push this back, line that up in the hole, click it in like so, and then just lock it in place. That's it. And you just put it back in and bolt it down. Go ahead and just guide those in. I can use your good old-fashioned screwdriver or drill. Honestly, I don't know if you're supposed to torque this down or not, but like I said, this truck gets extremely beat on for work. Wow. Would you look at that? That's gonna be the original one from 2007. Pop that out. Just get the new one. The ones I've found on Amazon, they do appear to be pre-greased. So we're gonna go ahead and just pop that back in the hole. And then just lift out. Like so. And repeat. I don't think I've seen a video on YouTube of somebody replacing this, probably because they probably don't get as bad as the ones I have. I mean, I haul a lot of stuff in this truck, constantly taking it to the junkyard, disposing of like construction debris. So this truck sees a lot of wear and tear, especially on this part of the truck. So, okay, now we're gonna go ahead and latch it back in, right there, right there. And then this part's gonna go inside of that hole, inside of that, right there. It's gonna pop right there. Again, extremely sorry for the recording and if it's blurry. Just got off work and tried recording this for you guys. Been meaning to fix this for a minute. And now the moment of truth, as soon as we get this back on, is to see if it's actually gonna work. Okay, so that's what it looks like right here. It's extremely grimed up and dirty, but the problem with mine, I believe, is this spring right here locks up, and then yeah, that's gonna be the problem on mine. But